कर लेते हैं 1 मिनट का. ओके, so why we are doing this today Google meetings? So definitely this is your first Google meeting. Why I am going to start this? Because I am going to just check your communication skills. Okay, I can check only in 1 to 2 lines only. So if I'll check your communication skills, according to that I can assign you communication classes. Like definitely if you are weak in communication skills, so I'll add you in that batch so that you can improve, you can enhance more. Okay, also I'm going to suggest your trainer ki how much capability required for them, how much effort required for this batch, means which type of students you are. Definitely if you are good in your communications, so they will take excellent session for you, like up level topics. But if you are okay in that, so medium level topics they are going to consider. And if you are weak in communication, so they are going to consider a very small topics, like you can easily explain at the, like that type of topics we'll consider in your communication skill classes. Rule is for communication skill. Today I'm going to add you in communication skill classes. From tomorrow's your classes will be start. But rule for you is, if you not continue your lectures at least in 1 week, 2 lectures if you not continue, means you are not attending 2 lecture at least for a week, we are going to left you from batch. So don't say at that time कि सर मुझे फिर से कर दीजिए, ये प्रॉब्लम है. If you have any problem, you can DM us or you can do the group chat also कि sir this is the reason why because of this I can't attend this week. That will be fine. But if you're not inform us कि I'm not going to continue batch and you are going to just enjoy your time कि okay this is the free communication skill, why I'm going to attend this. Okay, so we are going to left you from that group. और वो ग्रुप से लेफ्ट करने के बाद दोबारा ऐड नहीं किया जाएगा. तो ये मैं आपको पहले से इन्फॉर्म कर देना चाह रहा हूँ, इसलिए ये मीटिंग रखी हुई है. आफ्टर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू चेक योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. तो ऐसे आइडिया लगेगा कि एग्जैक्टली हाउ मच यू आर गुड इन कम्युनिकेशन, या फिर कितना रिक्वायर्ड है आपको एफर्ट और डालने की. तो लेट मी स्टार्ट विथ मिस्टर संजीव कुमार.
Hi sir.
Okay, hi. For everyone, like one more message is like if you are comfortable with on your videos, so you can on your video, because from your videos I can just check your body expressions. But if you are in one room and there are many members in that room, so not required you can on your videos, just if possible then, like Sanjeev, for Sanjeev I think this is possible. Now Mr. Sanjeev, introduce yourself please.
Yes sir, my name is Sanjeev Kumar. I am from Chandigarh sir. I have passed my BTech from KUK University in 2013. Now, after that, I did my job with the AC build, but after that with PS construction. After that with the Swastik interior and exterior, and at last I have worked with the Procter and Gamble, P&G sir.
Okay, and right now you're looking for a job.
Not yet, sir. Right now, actually I am working my own business.
Own business you're running right now. So you're looking for a growth, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any growth plans you created for that?
Sorry, sir.
Any growth plan you have? Like how can you are going to improve this?
Yeah. In future, I just want to do so, M.Tech in as a structural engineer.
Okay. So this is your plan for business?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No issue. And Sanjeev, definitely you are going to do the M.Tech in structural engineering. So can you tell us what is structural engineering?
So structural engineering is actually it's a base of civil engineering or structure. Like sir, how can I explain you, sir? Actually, this is the issue.
Okay. Any technical skills you have?
For example, sir.
Any technical skill like AutoCAD, you know, or any software, you know?
Yes, sir. AutoCAD. Partially I work on ETABS, sir.
ETABS.
Yes, sir. And also 3ds Max.
Okay, so can you tell us what is the full form of ETFs?
No, sir. It's actually I learned from YouTube.
Okay, so that means YouTube is not going to teach us. Okay, okay, and file format. What is the file format of ETFs?
Sir, it's a I think DFX file.
Okay, no issue. Okay, that's it, Sanjay. I just want to know how much you technically explain. Okay, thank you so much. I'll just give you feedback later. How can you improve this?
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay,
Thanks, sir.
okay. Off your on mic, please. Off your mic, please. Now we'll go for Mr. Abhishek Singh. Abhishek Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how are you?
Good, sir. How are you,
Okay,
sir?
okay. I'm also good. Abhishek Singh. Abhishek Singh, just introduce yourself, please.
Sir, I am Abhishek Singh. I am a civil engineer. I have completed my civil engineering in 2016, and currently I am preparing for government jobs and learning new softwares.
ओके, एवरीवन रिमेंबर, इनकी जो गलतियां हैं उन गलतियों को आप देखो और उन गलतियों को कोशिश करो कि आप दोहराओ ना, ठीक है। ये देखना है कि इनकी इन द सेंस नॉट अभिषेक ओनली, फॉर एवरीवन। इफ एनी सपोज आपने संजीव की कुछ गलती देखी होंगी तो वो संजीव की गलतियों को आपको रिवाइज नहीं करना है, ठीक है। अभिषेक की गलती देखी तो अभिषेक की गलती को रिवाइज नहीं करना है। और क्या बोलते हैं यहाँ पर, रशिका की गलती देखा, रशिका की गलती को रिवाइज नहीं करना है। मीन्स लर्न फ्रॉम अदर्स मिस्टेक्स। Okay, Abhishek, you are a civil engineer, right? Okay, Abhishek, you pass out year?
Yes, sir.
Pass out year?
2016.
2016?
2016.
16. Abhishek, what is civil
16.
engineering? What is civil engineering?
Yeah. Sir, civil engineering is a professional engineering branch in which we deal with the design, construction, maintenance of buildings and environment also.
Okay. Abhishek, from 16 onwards, this is 22. So, what you done in last 6 years?
In last 6 years, in starting 3 years, I was preparing for government job. I was totally dedicated for that. But after 2019, I am with my family business in which I am learning to, but I'm not comfortable with safety in
Okay. Off your video, please.
professional.
Off your video, please, so that we can hear you easily. Off your video. I think there is network issues for video. Yes. Off your video. Yeah. So after that, you started join your family business, right?
Yes.
What type of business?
It's a construction material supply business, sir.
Okay. So you don't like this business right now, right? You feel you want to start your own something.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You want to
Yes.
do a job or you want to do business?
So firstly, I want to learn something so that the job is compulsory. I want to learn and improve myself. Then only I will start something my own.
So if you start your something your own, like definitely what you're going to learn, that only you want to start, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you're going to be my competitor, why should I hire you?
Sir, uh, uh, in this area there is no big competitors, and for everyone to grow on this area, we should help and let build ourselves.
Okay.
So, and starting on a very small scale, I won't be your competitor.
Okay. But in future, definitely if like you, there are 10 members can stand, and if I'm 11, so if you all 10s merge with us, so I maybe you are my competitor.
Sir, we can't say about future, but right now everyone is looking to move forward, and so am I.
Okay, you can say just like I'm looking for a job. Okay, my long term goal is I want to become a BIM manager.
Okay.
Okay, don't share your personal data from everyone. Okay, no one is going to hire you if they feel you are going to be competitor of them. Okay, especially in small scale companies. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Abhishek, I'll just give you a reply. Okay, nice. Now, Mr. Abhishek Pridarshi.
Hello.
Hello, yes, Pridarshi. Pridarshi,
Yeah, good morning, sir.
good morning. Introduce yourself, Pridarshi.
Sir, I am Abhishek Pradarshi. I have done civil engineering from Institute of Engineering and Technology, Ayodhya.
Okay.
So recently I have passed in 2022. My exams are over, but result is not declared yet. And I have also completed diploma in civil engineering from Ayodhya Junjanwala Group of Institute. And I have completed this in 2018. After that, I have done uh, work in land acquisition department. My company was MR Construction Company from Sultanpur, and it work on a land acquisition and surveying department
Okay.
of national highway projects. I worked on two projects, NH29 from Banaras to Gorakhpur. That was of two package. Package one, NH from Banaras to Ghazipur, and package two, Gorakhpur to Ghazipur. And my second project was I was working on an national highway 2, which is now new NH19 from Kanpur Chakeri to Allahabad. In that, uh, four tehsil was present, and the complete package was of project one only. My work was surveying. My work was to making the valuation of the structures which is affected in ROW, and further to measure and confirmation of site with the PWD department and the clearance of that. And for compensation, I was also involved in joint measurement survey, which is further involved for the Kala verification. Kala verification means the ADM office or the ADM department, which work for the land acquisition and the approval plans also.
Great.
So that's all.
Good communication. Abhishek, what's your hobby?
Sir, actually, sir, I am also a sports person. Sir, I have got many achievements in, I think, Coco. I am the best player of Coco in a university campus. I have played cluster also, and I like to play the athletics. I have my major game was long jump and Coco only.
Great. Okay, that's
Yes,
it.
sir.
I just want to know your communication. That's good. Good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone can learn from Abhishek. His communication was good. Okay, not very good, but not bad. Now.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now that's it. And now Ajay Kumar, Mr. Ajay Kumar. After that, Bhavesh. Mr. Ajay.
I can go, sir.
Yeah, you can. Not go. You can just
Thank you,
wait for this. Okay, I'll just.
Yeah,
give you
yes,
the-
sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Ajay.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Mr. Ajay, introduce yourself, please.
I am Ajay Kumar. I completed my bachelor's in civil engineering from Basveshwar Engineering College, Bagalkot, Karnataka.
Correct.
And I completed my BE in 2020, sir.
Okay.
Previously, I am working. I am not working. I studied. Not. I am preparing for competitive exams, sir.
Okay.
But now I want to do some software course and.
Okay. Your pass out year?
2020, sir.
2020. And you prepare for government exams, right?
It's competitive exams
Competitive exam like
PSI.
what is PSI? I
Yes.
don't know about the. I don't know anything about government job.
PSI, it means police sub inspector, sir.
Police sub inspector. Okay. And right now you left your preparation and now you focus on like I want to do something, right?
Okay, no, sir. Meanwhile, I'm also preparing for that.
Don't mention with that. Okay. If you mention if you're preparing for also going to prepare your government exam side by side, that means you're not focused. You will be not focus on that company. Okay. Don't
No,
mention with
sir.
that.
Actually, previously a year back, I took the software courses in Bangalore, sir. But they taught only small basics. I am interested in 3D modeling, sir. Actually.
No. Right now I'm a company. Okay. And you are in interview. So don't mention I am this like just as you mentioned here, like I'm going to prepare for government jobs as well as I'm going to do the job. This is your target, right? But when you say like this, or everyone can say like this, that means कि you will be focused on both. And everyone know if you are in two boats, एक बोट से तो स्लिप कर जाओगे या फिर दोनों से स्लिप कर जाओगे. Got it? So remember, just focus on one things right now. And actually this is the best thing, if you want to do for everyone. It's not like any lectures, just I'm going to tell you, जितना आप एक गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में अर्न करोगे, ठीक है, लाइक एक वाइट कॉलर जॉब, ठीक है, more than 5 times you can earn in this industries, beam industries. इतना ज़्यादा पैसा है beam के अंदर. But if you confuse with both industries, आप किसी में परफेक्ट नहीं हो पाओगे. If you are not perfect in any one, ठीक है, डेफिनेटली अगर आप गवर्नमेंट के लिए प्रिपेयर्ड होने की कोशिश कर रहे हो तो फोकस ऑन दैट ओनली. गॉट इट? बट आई थिंक दिस इज द राइट टाइम. आपने 1-2 साल दे दिया अपनी गवर्नमेंट जॉब को, लगना होगा तो उस प्रिपरेशन से लग जाएगा. डोंट वेस्ट अदर टाइम्स. गॉट इट? Right now you are here for job, so now you can just focus. I am totally focused on learning the beams, and after that I'll want to perform my career as a beam engineer, beam manager, beam coordinator, whatever. जो भी प्रोफाइल वहाँ पर जॉब बनती है. Got it? So don't say them कि I'm preparing also or side by side I'm going to. No, I just saw my capabilities. According to that, I just, you can just, your answer is I saw my capability. I just check that. Okay, I think I am good enough in my like software skills. That's why I switch in beam industries. Now I done my internship 4 months with Unix Civil, and I learn a lot from there. Ki how can we perform in beams? I think like I'm suitable candidate for your company. Got it? Okay. So say something like this. Okay, Mr. Ajay, what technical skills you have?
Technical skills, I have learned Revit, sir, AutoCAD, SketchUp.
Oh. So what are the file formats of Revit?
File format.
Yeah.
Like extension you are asking.
Exactly. Yeah, I am.
Okay. Revit project file का .rbt होता है, and template file का RTE होता है.
Okay.
Family का RFA होता है.
Okay. And family template?
Family template .rfa.
Then what is for RFT?
RFT.
Okay, no issue.
एक template होता है.
Okay. In which year Autodesk introduced AutoCAD?
1982.
1982, correct. And like in India, in which year it introduced?
It is introduced on 1988.
1988. How many lectures you watch from your beam classes?
4 lectures, sir.
4 lectures you watch. In 4 lectures, what I teach?
Okay, in first lecture you teach it about
last 4th lecture only, just 4th
line
lecture.
command. 4th lecture, sir.
Yeah.
4th lecture में stretch, scale, and
okay. No, so I just want to check your communication skills. I'm not going to check your technical right now. Technical will be happen next week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Now I'll come with
Thank you,
Bhavesh.
sir.
Okay, most welcome, Bhavesh. And definitely आप में से जिसकी भी जो weakness रहेंगी, try to learn and try to write down that weaknesses. Okay. Yes, Mr. Bhavesh.
Yes. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Bhavesh, introduce yourself.
So myself, I am Bhavesh Wagare.
Okay.
I am living in Nandurbar district. I have completed my diploma from R.C. Pandey Polytechnic in 2021, and currently I am doing internship in Unix Civil.
Your diploma pass out year?
2021, sir.
2021. Okay. And after that you started your internship, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why want to come in Beam?
So actually, I think that BEAM is very good career for me because I am a very creative and my drawings are very good. So, sir.
Okay.
It will be great career for me.
Exactly, it is. What is Beam?
Actually, BIM is a building information and modeling.
Okay. I'm looking for a candidate who is ready to relocate everywhere in India. Are you comfortable for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your hobby, Bhavesh?
Sir, my hobby is like drawing, sketching.
Okay.
I like portrait sketching.
Portrait sketching. That's great. Okay, Bhavesh. In 2021, when you pass out, and this is 22,
Yes, sir.
what you done in last
Yes, sir.
1 years?
Sir, actually, I am doing degree correspondence, but from long distance, I am doing it, and I have side experience of 6-7 months. Sir.
Great. Means you don't have a gap. You are doing something, right?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Okay, that's it, Bhavesh.
Thank
Okay,
you.
great. Like he's in okay communication level. So you can just check also like कि आपको exactly he mentioned something. Okay, that's it. Now Mr. Solanki, Dharmin Solanki, and after that Kausal Singh. Yes, Mr. Dharmin Solanki ji.
Sir, my name is Dharmin Solanki. I am from Gujarat. I have completed my B in civil engineering in year 2022.
What is civil engineering?
Civil engineering is a professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, structure, and construction.
Okay. Mr. Solanki, you want to become a beam engineer, right?
Yes,
So what is beam engineering?
beam, beam is a process. Beam is a process that visualize the uh, structure before construction.
Great. You have done your AutoCAD. Right now you're learning AutoCAD or any other software you know?
Uh, Revit architecture.
Revit architecture you know, right? So that means you know the Revit family also?
No.
Okay.
In
Revit architecture. In Revit architecture there is a massing and site. What is the use of massing and site?
missing inside. मतलब वो
Okay.
explain it.
That is important. Na? Explanation is important. That is I am checking here. Okay, so no issue. And you know AutoCAD also. AutoCAD.
Yes, yes.
So what is the full form of CAD?
Get computer aided design.
Computer aided design. Great. And in which year AutoCAD introduced in India?
1988.
1988. Correct. So now everyone can learn from them. He is comfortable in one line answers, but he is not comfortable in explanations. So अगर इनसे क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया गया कि explain करो, तो he can be, नहीं? तो you can learn from there. Okay, so that's it. I just want to check your that skill only.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Now after Solanki, Mr. Kausal Singh.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Thanks for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kaushal Singh. I'm 22 years old. I belong to Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my 10th, 12th from my Wisdom Public School, Aligarh. Further, I completed my graduation in June 2022 from JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida. Currently, I do internship in a unique civil where I learned various civil software like AutoCAD, Revit, Tekla, SketchUp, 3D Max, Navisworks, and also learning various civil concepts, facts, and industrial knowledge. My short-term goal to get placed in a good company to provide my skill and improve my knowledge to get help in my future. Thank you, sir.
Okay, that's great. Nice introduction, Mr. Kaushal. Kaushal, what's your hobby?
So in my free time, I like to do some gym and like to give my hands to in cooking to my mothers. And in my free time also, I play table tennis near my house. There's a club.
What is the standard table tennis? There is any pitch for that? I never played the table tennis. There is a table, na? What is the size of the table?
Sir, not exactly. I know the measurement.
Approx?
So approx 4 feet by 10, 8 feet.
4 feet by 8 feet. So if you calculate this in area, how much area?
So 4 into 8.
How much?
Hello.
Yes. How much? I'm asking from you. How much area?
Your voice is breaking.
Okay, I said 4 into 8. So how much area in square feet?
So 32.
32. Great. Okay, बहुत अच्छा आंसर किया उन्होंने. That's great. Kaushal, that's it. I also want to know. Sometimes interviewer asks to you about area, okay, and you will be confused. Okay, so that was the okay. Off your video, it will be okay. Off your video. Kaushal, off your video. So your interview yes. So maybe your voice will be okay. तो इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से आंसर किया अबाउट एरिया. समटाइम्स इंटरव्यू आस्क, सो लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि व्हाट कैन आई गिव द आंसर्स. सो वन टाइम वन इंटरव्यू आस्क्ड टू मी आल्सो कि लाइक देयर इज अ like in one cubic I was for interview, so he said ki the area is how much. I said ki approx 10 feet. So he said yes, this is 10 feet and this is 3 meters, tell me area. So for a single second I just confused ki okay, this is meter and this is feet, but I was used to with drafting, so I just calculated that 10 feet into meters or meter, so I just give them answers. That's great question. And Kaushal, what's your goal, Mr. Kaushal?
So to become yes sir.
Yeah, to become.
So to become a successful structural engineer, currently I am preparing for GATE to get a good institute for structural engineering, and I also seeking for a foreign opportunity for getting a structural college also in my future. For that I currently focus on improving my skill and to get more experience, to increase, to get selection in foreign institutes, to improve my SOPs.
Great. Okay, Kaushal, nice to talk with you, and you have a good communication skills. Okay, now I'll just give you feedback later one by one कि सबका क्या response है. First of all, I just want to check now. Kishan Saji, Mr. Kishan, how are you? Hello
sir, I am fine.
Okay.
Hello sir, I am fine.
Okay, Mr. Kishan, introduce yourself.
My name is Kishan. I am from Gujarat. I have completed my BE from Gujarat Technological University, and
Okay.
currently doing internship with Unix 7.
You are relative of Amit Shah?
No sir.
And
Sir, in our college, all my friends telling that I am nephew of Amit Shah, but it's not true.
you can use that word na. You can use that word for your power na. Yes, I am. You can say yes, I am. So you can get easily job. Okay, and you can get easily every opportunities. Okay, no, say I'm just joking right now. Okay, Mr. Shah, what's your goal, Mr. Kishan?
Sir, currently my goal is learning, and after learning I want to join a reputed MNC.
Reputed MNC you want to join, right? Why you want to join MNC?
To enhance my skill and learning.
My company is a small scale company. You're not okay for that? My company.
I said believe in learning.
Okay, but you said you are going to join MNC, but my company is a small scale company. You're not comfortable for that?
Small scale, but if I get good learning, then I am comfortable.
Then you are comfortable, na? You can't mention your MNCs. That means if you're in small scale company, they feel like यार ये तो मेरे यहाँ काम ही नहीं करेगा. His target is something else, right? Okay. How many software skills you have, Mr. Kishan?
Currently, sir, I am familiar with AutoCAD.
Okay.
And physically learning Revit software.
That's great. What is the file format of AutoCAD, Mr. Kishan?
Sir, for AutoCAD, DWG
Dot
file for
DWG. Dot DWG or DWG?
.dwg
Dot DWG.
for AutoCAD.
Okay, that's great. What is the full form of UCS?
UCS,
Yeah,
User Coordinate System.
user coordinate. What is this?
Sir, UCS is a
Yes.
sorry, sir. Hello.
Okay. Yes. Uh, Mr. Kishan, what is the use of ortho command?
Sir, ortho command is used for making perpendicular perpendicular lines.
Making perpendicular lines. Okay, and what is the shortcut key for dynamic input command, Kishan?
Dynamic input F12, sir.
F12.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Kishan. What's your hobby?
Sir, my hobby, I am sir, brainy, but I like chess.
Okay. Okay, Kishan, that's it about you. Okay, I'll just give you feedback later. Wait for your turn, okay? Okay. Okay, communication, not bad, not good, but I'll just give you feedback later. Jaidullah, Mr. Jaidullah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. Mr. Jaidullah, introduce yourself, please.
Yes, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. I am Mohammad Aminullah. I have done my BTech from Sant Gadge Baba Ma, Amravati University in 2022.
Okay. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. Everyone remember, if I ask introduce yourself, आपके पास इतना कंटेंट होना चाहिए कि व्हेन आई आस्क नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस तब तक आप अपने बारे में बताते रहो, योर टेक्निकल स्किल्स, योर हॉबी, जब तक मैं बोल नहीं रहा हूँ कि मुझे दूसरा क्वेश्चन क्यों, आई एम इंटरेस्टेड टू नो मोर अबाउट यू. If you start just I'm this and I completed my this degree, I want to know more about you na, that's why I want to listen you. Okay, so everyone remember कि जब तक आपका से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ना पूछा जाए, आप अपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस को कंटिन्यू करते रहो एटलीस्ट फॉर 1 minute. Okay, Mr. Jayad, what technical skills you have?
Okay. I have done a course from online classes, that is COPS, cooperative operation system.
Okay.
And then this course I have done with estimation, AutoCAD,
In 1 meter
estimation.
cube, in 1 meter cube, how many bricks?
Yes.
In 1 meter cube, how many bricks?
In 1 meter cube.
Yeah. In 1 meter cube, how many bricks?
Sorry, sir, I
Okay.
forgot.
What is the density of cement?
It's 26. Sorry.
Okay, no issue. That means you're not good in that, right? Okay, no issue,
Yes.
Mr. Jadullah. I'll just give you feedback later. Also, you need some communication skills improvement, right?
Okay.
Okay, just wait for it. Okay. Interviewer when asked to you, जब आपसे इंटरव्यू लंबा इंटरव्यू ले तो आप समझ जाओ कि इंटरव्यूअर आपको हायर करना चाहता है. दिस इज द ट्रिक. ओके, अगर इंटरव्यूअर आपके बारे में और जानना चाह रहा है, ही वांट टू नो मोर, तो आप समझ जाओ कि ही इज इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट. कभी भी जब आपको ऑफर करना हो अपना अमाउंट, ठीक है, कि मुझे इतना पैसा चाहिए, ठीक है, पहले आप पैसा ऑफर नहीं करना है. पहले देखो, पहले ये डिसाइड करके मत जाओ कि मुझे 15,000 ही बोलना है. ठीक है, देखो कि वो कितना इंटरेस्ट ले रहा है आपके साथ इंटरव्यू लेने में. ठीक है, इंटरव्यू लेने में इंटरेस्ट कैसे पता चलेगा? ढेर सारा क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है और पूछ रहा है, मीन्स ही वांट टू हायर यू. नो, अगर तुम 15 का प्लान कर रहे हो, तुम 20 का प्लान कर लो. ठीक है, और भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा डीप में जा रहा है, तुम 25 का प्लान कर लो. ही इज गोइंग टू हायर यू. ठीक है, कैसे पता चल रहा है? बिकॉज वो आपके साथ इंटरेस्ट कर रहे हैं. तो जितना देर तक इंटरव्यू चले जाए, समझ जाओ उतना ही बेस्ट इंटरव्यू है. हम लोग का एक होता है कि अगर हमसे कोई आधे घंटे से ज़्यादा टॉक कर लिया इंटरव्यू में, अगर मैं गया हूँ, तो मैं ये समझ जाता हूँ कि ये सिलेक्शन मेरा पक्का है. मेरा सिलेक्शन पक्का है, क्योंकि आधे घंटे के ऊपर चला गया इंटरव्यू, और आधे घंटे के अंदर हो गया तो हम समझ जाते हैं कि पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है चार से कि इंटरव्यू में सिलेक्शन हुआ कि नहीं हुआ। गॉट इट। सो इतना इंप्रेसिव इंसान होना चाहिए, इंप्रेसिव कंटेंट होना चाहिए उसके अंदर बोलने के लिए कि आधे घंटे क्या वो 1 घंटा भी पता न चले क्या हो गया, इंटरव्यू सिलेक्शन पैक क्लियर है कि हो जाएगा। दिस इज द ट्रिक। चलो ठीक है, जैद का हो गया। इसके बाद ओमकार जादव एंड आफ्टर दैट रशिका। ओमकार, मिस्टर ओमकार। ओके, नो इशू, डोंट वरी, चिल, इट्स ओके। नाउ रशिका, he's in hospital right now, so we'll go with Rashika.
Hello, sir.
Hello, yes, Rashika. Rashika, introduce yourself.
So my name is Rasika Kadam. I belong to Mumbai. In 2016, I completed my Bachelor of Architecture Design with Bachelor of Architecture with Interior Design from Dr. Bairam Hero College of Architecture. Simultaneously, I learned. After that, I have 4 years of experience in architecture field. Simultaneously, I learned some softwares in CAD Center. After 2020, I took break to focus on whatever software I learned to complete that course. And and now from tomorrow, my new job is started.
Okay. From tomorrow, your new job is started. Congratulations.
Yes.
Okay, that's
Thank
great.
you.
Where?
In Mumbai, Lower Parel.
Lower Parel. Okay. And what's your job profile? Job
Position is as architect only.
position is as architect only. So, how many software knowledge you have?
I worked on AutoCAD and SketchUp,
Okay.
but I learned 3ds Max, Revit architecture, Lumion, V-Ray, Photoshop.
Okay, that's great. So you learn AutoCAD and Revit also. So what are the file format in Revit?
.rvt.
This is one. There are 4 file formats. You know about that?
For families, RFA, .rfa, and family template is .rft, and Revit template.
Okay. So when you go for rendering, so there is a one terms 150 dpi, 300 dpi. You got that terms?
Resolution?
So what is the full form dpi?
No, I don't know.
Dot per inch. Okay, and when we go for walkthrough, you done walkthrough also?
Yes, in Lumion.
In Lumion. So when you go for walkthrough, there is a terms FPS. What is the meaning of
Frame
FPS?
per second.
Very good. Frame per second. So you have done your drafting also, right? So what is the standard A4 paper size?
297 by 210.
Okay. Yes. And okay, Rashika, what's your goal?
Right now, I'm thinking to become an beam architect
Okay.
because, as you know, there is scope if for a beam architect.
Correct. What's your job timing?
10 to 7.
10 to 7. Okay. So you can just call me after 12 p.m. Today.
Yes.
So I'll just shift you in morning batch. Okay. I'll do something and I'll try to cover your all syllabus by something I have some plan. Okay. So you can just call me after 12 p.m. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Nice, Rashika. This was nice interview. Okay. भूलना मत, याद करके कॉल कर लेना, ठीक है? अदरवाइज आई फाइल फॉरगेट.
हाँ हाँ.
Okay. Now Shubham, Mr. Shubham.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you, Shubham?
Right. I'm absolutely fine, sir. Should I turn on my camera?
No, I think this is off right now. Not required if you're comfortable with without camera, that is okay. Don't introduce yourself, please. Yeah, this is on right now.
As you know, my name is Shubham Gawande. I belong to Nagpur. I pursued my engineering from YCC Nagpur here in civil engineering. And talking about careers, sir, I want to keep working in BIM choose this as my career path or progress path.
Your pass out year?
It's 2022, sir.
2022, and now you're planning for Beam, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I'm currently pursuing internship at Unix 7, and
okay,
it's a wonderful learning experience.
okay. So from where you got this opportunity? Like, what is Beam? How can you know ki, like this is the profile I can go for that?
First of all, you see, sir, the domain of civil engineering is so big, and when you are a new kid in this industry, you really don't have enough clarity, and there may be other issues as well. Not many people like me have mentors, so I was confused. Plus, lockdown affected me and my education a lot. There was no clarity, but definitely I kept exploring on YouTube here and there, and you know, we as students of civil engineer have uh, like used at least AutoCAD or Revit to some extent. So we have some idea. But then as I kept on exploring more and more the softwares and also on the YouTube platform and found great YouTubers like Unix 7. So I got to, I got enough more amount of clarity on what BIM actually is and that it is not just about the softwares. And often people confuse that BIM is about Revit, but no, Revit is just a software which supports BIM. And at the most, we can say that Revit is something which significantly boosts the process of BIM. At
Exactly.
most, we can say
Very good. Very nice answer. He was absolutely correct. Revit is just a tool which is used for Beam. It's not a Beam. That's great. Subham, what's your hobby?
I have only one hobby, and that is reading philosophy books. Apart from that, sir, I'm a very boring person.
Yes, I'm looking you you're looking like a philosopher.
Yeah.
Okay, but whenever you go for any interview, just set your beers or cut your beers as per your comforts, and also
Yes,
here also. Okay, so when you go like this, so definitely they want the entertaining persons. If you say "Ki I'm boring persons," they are not going to entertain you. Okay, which type of philosophy books you like to read?
sir. As such, I have read quite a lot of books when it was lockdown. During the period of lockdown, I read few portions of Bhagavad Gita. That is a philosophical book as well. Then I have read The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. It's not too much philosophy, but that's an okay book. I mean, a lot to learn from that book as well. Then there is the book Be Water, My Friend by Mr. Bruce Lee, and one of the greatest philosophers of all time. So a lot to learn from that book as well. I spent major portion of lockdown, to be very frank with you, pursuing philosophy, and I have also spent quite a few amount of time teaching philosophy. As of now, I have halted that process, but definitely, and I have provided these services for free, by the way. I have taught people online, and it was a wonderful experience. You get to learn so much that way.
Which adhyaya of Gita you like a most?
The one who sees action in inaction, and the one who sees inaction in action is a true yogi, Arjuna. And this particular verse has stayed with me till this day because if you if you talk about Bhagavad Gita, you cannot really just converse it about it. You have to read it, study it, give yourself some time,
Yes, yes.
contemplate about what the verses are written. But this particular verse has, in my opinion, in this particular verse, Sri Krishna has taught us the greatest mystery or the greatest secret of the universe. That is, the one who sees action in action, and the one who sees inaction in action is the true yogi. Nowadays, if you see, sir, the word yoga is quite misunderstood. People usually associate it with just a bodily,
Exercise.
exercises, but that's not what true yoga is. True yoga is what Sri Krishna is trying to teach. And if anyone is interested, definitely you should give it a try.
Exactly. Actually, I already read the Gita. That's why I asking. That's nice actually. Okay, we are not going to in deep right now. Okay, nice Subham. That's it for this. And you have good communication skills.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank
Okay.
you.
Now I will go for Mr. Tushar. Mr. Tushar.
Yes, sir. Very good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Tushar, introduce yourself.
I am Tushar. Actually, passed at the year 2015. Went for a diploma in civil engineering as I was already interested in civil engineering. After pursuing my diploma, I went to BE in civil engineering from New Horizon Institute of Technology at Thane. Currently, I am residing at Kalyan, Maharashtra. After my BE, I went to work as a site engineer at Industrial Logistic Parks. The company name was Antonov Industrial Parks. So it was a project of a plant at 110 acres and divided into 3 phases: phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. I was as a site engineer in phase 1 project, which was of 28 acres, and it consisted of five warehouses.
Okay.
Along with that,
Yes, continue.
yes, along with that, I also do have experience in that same projects of a G+1 bungalow, which was of the landowner of that site, and also infra activities like PQC roads, drains, retaining walls, gabion walls, box culvert, etc.
Great. Tushar, you diploma pass out year 15,
2018, sir.
18. Okay, and degree?
2021.
21. Great. So you don't have any gap.
No, sir.
That's great. Okay, so Tushar, right now you just learning right now, not doing job now.
I was working as a site engineer, but I have left that job to focus myself fully on BIM.
Very good, excellent. Actually, this is the right step you taken at right time because you don't have any career gap. So
Yes.
definitely it will be useful for you. Now, what is BIM? What you know about BIM?
Currently, I have researched about BIM, and what I came to know that BIM is just a flow of information. That is different. There are many softwares. So to integrate that all softwares and to reduce the communication gap or the flow of information, the BIM is being created so that it integrates all the softwares in a efficient manner.
Correct. That's excellent. Okay, Tushar, what's your goal?
Sir, I have now decided to enter in the BIM field, and I want to excel at it at any cost.
Exactly, very nice. Tushar, start is okay. Okay, that's great. Okay, nice, Tushar, and I'll just give you feedback later. Wait for your turn. Nice communication. Okay, great. Tushar ka bhi communication. Okay, and now we'll go for Mr. Abhishek Katre. Abhishek,
Yes, sir.
इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ. अरे यार इतना लॉन्ग है तुमने क्यों रखा हुआ, पहले तो बताओ.
Sorry, sir. It's like a festival time. It's Sawan. It's right now, so we cannot cut our hair.
I think it's not a right answer for that. In 1 month, how much you can be? Yeah? Okay.
So it's like
Okay. No issue. Whenever you go for any interview, try to set your hairs. I'm not saying you can go into cut. You can use gel or etc. for. Okay.
yes, definitely.
Okay. Definitely, you watch the movie Rab ne bana di jodi. You watch that movie?
Yes, yes.
You use something like that gel. Okay. Now, Mr. Abhishek, introduce yourself.
Born and raised in Nagpur. Just graduated in 2021, and then after that I went for a course in a construction project management. And right now, nowadays I'm working doing an internship in Unix Civil. Here I have learning create softwares to civil.
Okay. Right now you learn the software AutoCAD, right?
Yes, sir. Right now I'm learning in AutoCAD.
What is the use of AutoCAD?
To use it's a drafting software we use as a planning.
Okay.
To in buildings and offices.
Okay. This is
to do a 2D plan. To work in a 2D plan.
To work in a 2D plan. Great. Abhishek, in AutoCAD there is some types of arrays. So what are the types of array in AutoCAD?
So just it's polar array, rectangular array, path array.
polar path and rectangular area. And there are few types of circles in AutoCAD. There is some circles name na. So
Yes, sir.
can you list the name?
I don't know very much about it. It's two circle. It's 10 radius. It's 10 and it's something like three circles. Or I'm not known too much of that. I'm not familiar about too much about that.
Okay, you're not much aware that, but you know the basics of that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Abhishek. Abhishek, in AutoCAD, you know 3D also, AutoCAD 3D also?
A little bit, sir.
A little bit, okay, no
A
issue.
little bit.
Okay, in which year AutoCAD software made by Autodesk?
It's 19. It's 19 something.
What is RERA?
Sir, RERA is a plan, is an act. It is an act that is the Real Estate Regulation and Developments Act in 2016. It is implemented.
Okay, so in RERA there is a scroll count. What is the scroll count?
Sir, it is an account where you have to put around 75% of your project money or something like yes, money to ensure everything about your project, ensure the government about your project.
Correct. Okay. Nice interview, Abhishek. Okay, I'll just give you feedback later. Okay. Now,
Thank you.
Abhishek, Subham Rai is there. Subham Rai, you comfortable for interview right now? He was all side. He was entered there. He's there. Okay, I think he's not there. Okay. So this was the your small introduction actually, not a completely interview. ठीक है. मुझे क्यों जानना था इसको? क्योंकि we are going to start your communication classes. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to start your communication classes. So for that you like there are few members who need more improvements in communication skills and अच्छी बात मुझे ये लगी कि काफ़ी बच्चे ऐसे हैं जिनको अच्छा communication जिनका skill है, ठीक है, मतलब अच्छा इन द सेंस उनका काम हो जाएगा, बट फ्यू ऑफ देम देर जिनको और प्रैक्टिस की नीड है. तो मुझे ये करना है कि आप एटलीस्ट 1 month 2 months आप कम्युनिकेशन की क्लासेस को रेगुलर करिए सो दैट यू कैन इन्हेंस योर कम्युनिकेशंस. अभी टेक्निकल में मैं आया नहीं हूँ, टेक्निकल बहुत लंबा चलेगा आपका. टेक्निकल विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट वीक क्योंकि अभी हमने टॉपिक नहीं पढ़े हैं ना. सो दिस इज नॉट राइट कि मैं आपके ओल्ड एक्सपीरियंस को इससे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछूँ. राइट इज़ कि जो मैंने टीच किया उसमें से पूछूँ. तो डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न एवरी डे. सो डेफिनेटली आप इन्हेंस करते जाओगे. आज इंडिपेंडेंस डे है, आप सबको पता है. सो हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू ऑल. मुझे पता है आज आपको आज़ादी देनी चाहिए, बट ऐसा था कि कम्युनिकेशन स्किल जज कर लेने से हमारा क्या होता है, टाइम सेव हो गया. अभी हम उस हिसाब से आपको ग्रुप बना के देंगे एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल योर ट्रेनर ऑल्सो कि हाउ मच यू आर एंड कैसे आपके ऊपर करना है. सो जिस हिसाब से आपका अच्छा इन्हेंसमेंट हो जाए. ठीक है. सो दैट्स इट. एंड आपको ज़्यादा टास्क नहीं है, आज़ाद हो आप, आज इंजॉय करो. बस एक टास्क है कि आपको लेक्चर नंबर 5 वॉच कर लेना है, बस वॉच करना है. नथिंग एनी प्रैक्टिस आप कल करिएगा, नो इशू. ठीक है. लेक्चर नंबर 5 आपको वॉच कर लेना है सबको. और क्या बोलते हैं, जिसके पास बीम का लेक्चर्स नहीं है, लाइक जो लोग अभी जस्ट ऐसे नॉर्मल वॉच कर रहे होंगे, वो लोग बीम का लेक्चर जो आप लोग देखते होंगे ना ऐप पर आपने जो बीम का लेक्चर देखा हुआ है उसको क्या करना, उसको परचेस करके कंटिन्यू कर लेना. तो उससे क्या होगा कि वो जो आपकी जो फी है उसमें से वो माइनस हो जाता है कि देयर इज नो एनी एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट. उसको फी को ऐसे नहीं कि आज ही करना है, यू कैन टेक 1 to 2 3 डे 4 डे एज पर योर कंफर्ट. तो बीम का लेक्चर सबको क्या करना है, परचेस करके अपने अकाउंट में ऐड कर लेना है. वहाँ से करने से बेनिफिट क्या होगा, लाइफ टाइम के लिए वो आपके पास रह जाएगा, पहली चीज़. दूसरी चीज़, जो भी वहाँ पे आप पे आउट करते हो वो आपकी फी में से माइनस हो जाता है. दैट इज़ नॉट अ बिग डील. तो आप आज कल परसों नरसों अपने कंफर्ट के हिसाब से, ठीक है, क्या बोलते हैं, नो फॉर दैट BIM करना है ऋषिका, बिकॉज यू फ्रॉम आर्किटेक्ट बैकग्राउंड. प्लस बीम के लिए BIM का सेपरेट है ना, जिसमें से आप ऑटोकैड वॉच करते हो. ठीक है, वो जस्ट करके कंटिन्यू कर लेना है. ठीक है. उसका जो फी वगैरह रहेगा सब इससे माइनस हो जाएगा. तो मैं आपको कॉल करने वाला था सेपरेटली, बट कॉल करने में सबको, किसी को कुछ इशू आया तो आप 12 बजे के बाद मुझे कॉल कर लो आराम से, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर इशू नहीं आया तो यू कैन कंटिन्यू दैट. अगर कुछ डाउट आएगा सर ऐसे क्या मतलब समझ नहीं पाया मैं, तो यू कैन कॉल मी. ठीक है. 12 बजे से इवनिंग में 6 बजे तक आप आराम से मुझे कॉल करके परेशान कर सकते हो थोड़ा बहुत. ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं फ्री हूँ तो अच्छा रहेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है, मजाक कर रहा हूँ. आप बताते हैं कि किसका कैसे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल है. ठीक है। नाउ संजीव, यू नीड मोर इम्प्रूवमेंट इन योर कम्युनिकेशंस। अगर आप अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो करना चाहते हो तो प्लान समथिंग। ओके, बिजनेस इज द बेस्ट थिंग, लेकिन हमें प्लान करना चाहिए। और क्या बोलते हैं, आपका ओके कम्युनिकेशन है, नॉट बैड नॉट गुड, ओके मतलब आपका काम हो जाएगा, ठीक है। सो यू गॉट 2 marks एज पर माई स्टैंडर्ड्स। एंड अभिषेक सिंह, यू गॉट ऑल्सो, यू हैव गुड कम्युनिकेशन, गुड नहीं ओके कम्युनिकेशंस, यू गॉट 2 marks अभिषेक सिंह। अभिषेक प्रियदर्शी गॉट गुड कम्युनिकेशंस, अभिषेक प्रियदर्शी का कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा था, ही गॉट 3 marks। एंड अजय कुमार गॉट 2 marks, पुअर कम्युनिकेशन। अजय कुमार, आपको और इम्प्रूव करने की नीड होगी, कोई उसमें बुराई नहीं है, वी आर हियर फॉर लर्निंग ना, सीख रहे हैं हम लोग, ठीक है। तो आपको और इम्प्रूव करना पड़ेगा। भावेश इज ओके इन कम्युनिकेशन, ही गॉट 2 marks ऑल्सो। एंड मिस्टर सोलंकी, आपको भी बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, यू हैव अ पुअर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, 2 marks आपको भी मिले हुए हैं। मिस्टर कौशल सिंह, यू गॉट 3 marks, ओके कम्युनिकेशन है, मतलब आपका काम हो जाएगा, नॉट लाइक एक्सीलेंट नॉट लाइक बैड, ठीक है, ओके। किशन शाह, किशन का भी काम हो जाएगा, 3 marks ही गॉट, ओके कम्युनिकेशंस। जैद उल्लाह, यू नीड मोर, मीन्स पुअर कम्युनिकेशन है आपका, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इंप्रूवमेंट की नीड है, ठीक है। याद रखिएगा, आउट ऑफ 10, यस देर आर अदर पैरामीटर्स, बट अभी उनको हम जज नहीं कर रहे हैं, टेक्निकल हमने ऐड नहीं किया इसमें, ओनली कम्युनिकेशन के बेस पर जज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। और ऋषिका कदम हैज़ गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, ऋषिका गॉट 4 marks एंड दिस इज गुड मार्क्स, ओके। जिस दिन आपको 7 marks मिल जाए, आप समझ जाओ कंपनी के लिए आप परफेक्ट हो, ठीक है। हमारा 7 marks मतलब आउट है। शुभम इज लाइक 7 marks ही गॉट, एंड शुभम हैज़ गुड कम्युनिकेशन, 7 बोल रहा है सॉरी, 4 marks। शुभम गॉट 4 marks एंड गुड कम्युनिकेशन, अच्छा कम्युनिकेशन है आपका। तुषार भी कम्युनिकेशन इनका भी अच्छा है, मतलब नॉट बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा, ओके कम्युनिकेशन है, ही गॉट 4 marks, ओके। एंड इनका क्या मतलब डेफिनेटली ही वांट ही कैन इम्प्रूव मोर। अभिषेक कटरे, गुड कम्युनिकेशन आपका भी है, 3 marks आपने गेट किया हुआ है। ये था आपके एक जनरल ओवरव्यू कि आपका कम्युनिकेशन कितना हाई है कितना लो है। मैं आपको ग्रुप भेजूंगा एक, उस ग्रुप को आप ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा, कम्युनिकेशन ग्रुप रहेगा आपका, यूनिक सिविल कम्युनिकेशन ग्रुप समथिंग लाइक दिस, तो उसको ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा। फ्रॉम टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स देयर विल बी वन मेंटर फॉर यू, सी विल बी गोइंग टू ट्रेंड यू, ठीक है। बट रूल ये है कि अगर आप 3 days कंटिन्यू लाइक मीटिंग को नहीं ज्वाइन करते हो तो आई एम गोइंग टू लेफ्ट यू फ्रॉम दैट ग्रुप, ठीक है। रीज़न ये रहेगा कि डेफिनेटली आई जस्ट असाइन देम, लाइक मैं एक कॉस्ट पे करता हूँ ना सामने वाले को, अगर कोई ज्वाइन नहीं करेगा, बेनिफिट गेन नहीं करेगा तो मेरा लॉस होगा, ठीक है। मेरा लॉस क्या, आपका भी लॉस है, क्योंकि आप अपना टाइम मतलब सही जगह यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पाए। और दूसरी चीज़, मेरा लॉस ये होगा कि डेफिनेटली मैंने किसी को अगर 1 hours का 2 hours का 3 hours का पेमेंट कर रहा हूँ मैं, तो मेरा फ्री में पेमेंट मुझे करना पड़ जाएगा, ठीक है। सो होप इस चीज़ को आप समझेंगे कि सर अपने तरफ से एफर्ट लगा रहे हैं फॉर योर कम्युनिकेशन। जिसका गुड कम्युनिकेशन है उनका तेवर मैनेज हो जाएगा, जिसका ओके है और जिसका पुअर है आप मत करना मिस चांस, ठीक है, आपके लिए बेहतर होगा। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू फोर्स यू, बट डेफिनेटली अगर आप परफॉर्म नहीं करते तो मैं लेफ्ट कर दूंगा। तो ये मत बोलना कि सर मुझे लेफ्ट कर दिया, मैं पहले ही बता दिया, ठीक है, ज्वाइन कराने से पहले ही बता दिया कि लेफ्ट करने का रूल क्या है। हफ्ते में 2 क्लास कम्युनिकेशन आपकी होनी चाहिए। टाइमिंग इवनिंग में रखा है, सबको कंफर्ट रहेगा। इवनिंग में 9 to 9:30 आई थिंक रहेगा, आई विल डिसाइड। 9 बजे के बाद ही होगा, 10 बजे के पहले होगा, ठीक है। अभी 9 to 9:30 रखेंगे, बाद में अगर आप लोग अच्छे से टैकल करोगे तो टाइम इंक्रीज कर देंगे, ठीक है। इट्स डिपेंड ऑन योर परफॉर्मेंस, हाउ मच यू परफॉर्म। चलो, तो ये था कुल मिला के आपका समरी। लेक्चर नंबर 5 आपको वॉच करना है, प्रैक्टिस कुछ नहीं करना है, आज़ाद रहिए, मस्त रहिए, एंजॉय करिए। अब आप अपने क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं। 1 बेस्ट टाइमिंग शिफ्ट, ओके ओके, थोड़ा सा वेट करना पड़ेगा शुभम, वी आर प्लानिंग फॉर दैट, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा वेट करना पड़ेगा। और डेफिनेटली ऑटो कैट तक तो आपको ऐसे ही चलने वाले हैं, विल प्लान इन फ्यूचर, अगर कुछ होता है तो डेफिनेटली करेंगे। हाँ जी संजीव बताइए, आपने माइक ऑन कर दिया?
सर मैंने आपको फाइल सेंड की थी इसमें ना,
फाइल हम कल सारे चेक करेंगे, आपके एक तरफ से सबके असाइनमेंट चेक होंगे। हियर लाइक आज हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इंडिपेंडेंस डे था तो हमने इसी मौके पर सोचा चलो आपका कम्युनिकेशन चेक कर लेते हैं, कल सबका असाइनमेंट चेक करके तब आगे चलेंगे, ठीक है, एज पर रूल्स, ठीक है, जैसे हम लोग अभी करते आए वैसे ही करेंगे, ठीक है। ओके, बस आज मुझे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल में आपको ऐड करना था, इसकी वजह से मुझे कम्युनिकेशन लेवल जानना था सबका, दैट आई एम चेकिंग है, दैट्स इट। चलो, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर ज्वाइन, एंड डेफिनेटली आपको ये सेशन मिल जाएगा यूट्यूब पे भी, जिससे कि आपको कभी याद आए कि मैंने फर्स्ट सेशन में कैसे परफॉर्म किया था और अभी मेरा क्या लाइफ लेवल हो चुका है, तो यू कैन चेक आउट दैट। थैंक यू सो मच एंड विल एंजॉय योर इन डे, खूब ढेर सारे एंजॉय करो, जाओ झंडा वंडा फहराओ बढ़िया से। और इन्जॉय करते हैं। चलो बाय बाय।